So hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to explain the business dashboard in a simple and clear way. Some people think dashboard explanation or storytelling is about the using advanced English words or very good English sentences, but that's not the true. Storytelling is not about using a big English words. It's about the how clearly and interestingly you can explain something even if it's complex so that the other person understand it easily. To explain this clearly, I'm going to use my recently created Excel dashboard. You can make it in Power BI W or any visualization software. So but before jumping directly into the dashboard, there are few important things we need to clear about. A common mistake people make uh, that they start explaining numbers immediately. That's create confusion to a non-technical peoples. Or we have to explain our dashboard in a very simple way, not only the numbers. So a good dashboard explanation always follow a simple structure. First, we explain what we have created. Second, we explain the business problem. That means what challenges the business was facing. And the third step is we explain the goal of the dashboard. How this dashboard helps to solve the business problem or to take the business decision. And fourth is we walk through the key insights shown in the dashboards, means the explaining the visuals. Fifth step is we explain what we discover from these insights, and finally we explain how this helps the business take better decisions. When you follow these steps, your explanation becomes clear, logical, and easy to understand, even if your English is simple. Now, I will apply this exact structure to my Excel dashboard and explain it step by step. So, introduction. So, I created dashboard to make business take better decisions around the revenue growth, profitability, discount, and product performance across the regions. So it depends on your dashboards. So my dashboard is includes the discount, profitability, and other regions categories. So I made this type of introduction. So the business problem. The business operates across the multiple categories, products, and the regions, and frequently offers discounts. However, despite high sales, profitability was declining. It was unclear which region were actually profitable, which product were causing the losses, and whether discount were helping or hurting the business. So the goal of this dashboard is give a single clear view of business performance, helping teams quickly identify the profitable areas, loss-making products, and the real impacts of discount. So this is the introduction, business problem, and the goal of the revenue according to your dashboard. So, so now explain the dashboard. So, for example, let me start with the overall picture. At the top of the dashboard, we can see the key business metrics. The businesses has processed over 51,290 orders that generated the net revenue of 1 crore 12 lakh 96,000 plus, and it earns the actual profit 29 lakhs 57,000 plus, and it results profit margin is 27 or 26%. So let's walk through our key visuals. Okay, so our first chart is the category chart. Okay, so this chart shows profitability by category. Technology is most profitable category, while furniture and office supplies contributes equal towards the revenue, but the furniture makes the more losses. To understand this further, I created the Dashboard, which is subcategory wise dashboard, that shows the phones and copiers are makes the more sales and the reasonable profit, but there is we show that table makes most losses, which is compared to the others. The table created the most losses, and others categories like labels, fasteners created the lowest revenue but the higher profit margin. So we can say some products have high profit margin but low sales, while others sell most but reduce overall profitability. So the next visual is the discount versus the net revenue. This visual analyzes how discount affects sales and the profitability. Discount between 0 to 20% generates healthy sales and profit. High discount levels significantly reduce profit margin and leads to the losses. Here we can see clearly the high discount killing the revenue. The next visual is business performance over time. This chart shows the monthly revenue trends across 4 years, allowing us to compare pattern and consistency over time. Across all 4 years, revenue tends to increase in June, September, and December, while April, June, and October consistently show the losses. This indicates the recurring seasonality, means the business relies heavily on certain months for higher sales. So the next visual is the reason versus the net revenue and the profit margin. This chart compares the revenue and profit margin by the region. Some regions like Central and South performs the well overall, but regions like Canada have a lower revenue but very high margins. This highlighted the hidden regions where focusing some efforts can improve profitability without any heavy discount. And the last visual shows separate profit making orders from loss making orders. Majority orders are the profitable, a meaningful portion of order generated the losses. This helps identify the loss making orders and the factors behind them. When we click in the slicer, we can see the overall category regions which generated the profit and losses or both. Okay, so next step is what we discovered in this dashboard. So I discovered the profit margin comes from the low discount and well priced product. Losses are driven by the high discounts and specific products like tables. Some products have high margin but the low sales growth opportunities. Some regions are highly profitable but under focus. Revenue fluctuations due to the seasonality. So that the next step is recommended actions. So based on this dashboard, the business can reduce deep discount on loss-making products, promote high margin product with high discounts, focus sales efforts on high margin regions, analyze the loss orders before scaling volume, create non-seasonable campaign to stabilize revenue. So who can use this insights? So the finance team can control margin leakage and monitor the loss making areas. The marketing team can use these insights to optimize the discount strategy. and the sales team can concentrate on selling profitable products and the regions. So that's how we can explain the dashboard step by step in a clear and the simple view.